Well, I had some good fun in Hawaii last time I was there, first time in a long time, visiting my friends Stu and Vicky. But the best part, as usual, was Vicky's cooking, which she puts together amazingly fast and easy, and it's just unbelievable. And that's what I want to share with you. And please excuse the rough video quality of these. I hope to go back and do some more. Here we go. Okay, Vicky. Vicky is on.
Anyway, this dish is called VATA YAKI. VATA YAKI because we gotta use butter to cook the food, meat, vegetables, and more vegetables and more meat. So we're just going to cook it and serve it. You cook your own, or you put the food here, and then once they're cooked, you just basically take.
Here's our assistant.
And then the sauce is soy sauce, lime, and daikon and white radish. And for us who like things hot, we usually put in sriracha sauce. Used to sriracha sauce. Jim, just a
little bit, tiny.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
So now we turn on the stove, right? We turn on the
Cookie thing, yeah.
cookware.
The griddle, yeah.
Griddle. And so with the griddle, we're just going to spread the butter in. Spread the butter in.
I bet when the butter hits the griddle, it's going to melt and sizzle and, oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
You wipe this, right, Stu?
Yeah.
Okay. And so now
Okay, now we load stuff.
you put in your mushrooms,
stuff.
put some onions. Yeah, you still put some onions in.
You don't need to show off with the chopsticks, Stu, but go ahead. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What kind of meat is this, by the way?
Prime steak.
Oh,
What do you call that?
beef.
New York?
No, the other one. What's the primest one?
Tenderloin?
The primest?
Yeah. New York. After New York is the other one.
Manhattan.
Sirloin. No, not
Brooklyn.
sirloin. Huh?
Tough sirloin? Baby back ribs?
Where's my beer? No, what is that sirloin called? The top one. There's New York and there's the same.
How about top sirloin? Does that work?
No, not top sirloin. Rib eye.
Oh, ribeye. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the best.
Okay. And that's what we got?
Yeah, that's what we got.
Okay. Is there
Only
anything?
the best with Jimmy.
Is there anything to
Ribeye.
watch here besides the cookingness?
No, so.
Oh, ouch,
Sorry.
ooch, ouch, yeah.
So you just try to lie flat those mushrooms and take it apart.
Lie flat,
The
baby.
next scene is when we take it off and eat it. With
And,
the sauce.
Maybe we'll come back in a couple minutes when it's better cooked, huh? What are those right there, by the way?
Eggplant.
Oh, eggplant, excuse
And
me.
then there's okra and
That's when you part that.
could I have those?
Yeah, sure.
And bean sprouts and some more
Yeah.
and some okra.
And we would call this dish what, if we had to name it?
Well, teppanyaki, but because we use butter, VATA YAKI, BATA, means
Okay.
butter. VATA YAKI.
In which language now? Philippine?
Japanese.
No, Japanese.
Oh, okay. Okay. I want to
Sounds
get
alright.
that sizzly sound. Later.
Later.
Here's Stu taking a little meat off the plate, putting it on
Oh,
his
there.
rice, don't you know? Yeah.
What's this?
Can be done with chopsticks,
section.
which is an amazing to me.
Put more of that.
More what?
vegetable with it.
Yeah.
Greenery.
Now, how about these things? Do these get cooked or?
No,
That's just
side
kim.
dish.
That's called not kimchi.
Kimchi.
Oh, it is called kimchi. Okay.
Put some, of course, Jim, his meat.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
His cooked meat.
Oh, cooked meat, but that's the cooked meat.
Yeah. Okay.
Cooked meat, chicken.
You can eat now. It's delicious.
So am I shooting anything or should I just turn this off? No, we're a little more in the cooked area now. Okay. Sizzle, sizzle. Cook. Okay. Putting a little in here. Yeah. Okay, just to give you a little taste of the more cooked motif. Okay, thank you, Vicky. And then, of course, everything gets dipped in the sauce.